Speaking of DeMarco Bennett, he comes up here in the Class 1 boys event. The list: Michael Williams of Calabar, Bennett of Excelsior, Orlando Pine of Adrenaline in 3, Keshawn Hoffman, the defending champion, in 4, Roger Black of JC in 5, Robert Miller of Hydel, he'll be in 6, JAHVANIE TYRELL will be in 7 from KC, and Derville Jackson of Calabar will line up in lane 8. Those are your 8 athletes for the Class 1 boys 400-meter hurdles final.
Yeah, Jeremy, this is a big final as well. Heavy weight of expectation on his shoulders, JAHVANIE TYRELL. But this one has Robert Miller, who was odds-on favorite last year to win the title, crashed out in the final stage of the race and didn't manage to get the victory.
Ending up 8th there last year, Robert Miller.
Which opened the door for this man, the defending champion, Keshawn Hoffman, to win the event.
Of course, Miller has also moved on from Calabar to Hydel now. So here we go, Derville Jackson, 5th in this event last year representing Calabar.
52.60 to get here.
In 7 is JAHVANIE TYRELL of Kingston College.
51.22 personal best to get to this final.
Robert Miller lines up in lane 6.
The hot favorite, Rifter Games champion, Robert Miller from Hydel.
In lane 5, Roger Black representing Jamaica College.
Yeah, he will be seeing his efforts add to the tally of Jamaica College.
Number 2 on the list this season as well. This is the defending champion, Keshawn Hoffman of Excelsior.
50.97. Hasn't been in that kind of form this year, but I think he has something special up his sleeves.
Ran the 4x400 meter heats earlier as well. This is Orlando Pine of Edwin Allen.
Yeah, so I'm in the sprint hurdles earlier. Their ankle leg on their 4x1.
Central champion. And DeMarco Bennett of Excelsior, former Class 2 champion.
Hasn't had the best of season since then, but he has made it to another final, 52.86 in the semis.
And in lane 1 is Micah Williams of Calabar, the Class 2 champion from last year.
Yeah,
Micah Willis, yes, and has moved up now to Class 1. And, let's see how he maneuvers this final here. Willis, in his first year of Class 1.
On your marks.
Running from lane 1.
Yeah, in for a big show. The record on paper, 49.50 by Rashawn Clark. The fastest time ever run at this height in the 400-meter hurdles at Champs, 49.01 by Jahil Hyde of Wolmer's.
So there. In their blocks. Class 1 boys 400-meter hurdles final. The defending champion, Keshawn Hoffman, lines up in lane 4. Set position, bang! Sent off, clean break. First time of asking, Hoffman gets out quickly. So too does Bennett and Pine of Edwin Allen. So they head down the back stretch, and up top, Jackson moving well, and fall there for Miller of Hydel. So problems again for Miller. And traveling well up top is TYRELL of Kingston College. Hoffman yet to really get going, so too Bennett of Excelsior. But up top from Kingston College, that's JAHVANIE TYRELL. From Jamaica College, Roger Black, number 2 on the list this season. Hoffman, he has some work to do. Here comes Black of Jamaica College. And on the outside, TYRELL of Kingston College. Hoffman left a bit back. It's TYRELL of Kingston College and Black of JC. TYRELL gets it on the line from Black, and of course in third, Hoffman, the defending champion, beaten into third place. And what a dramatic there just now. 50.63, the official time for JAHVANIE TYRELL. Who would have thought that TYRELL, these races are not run on paper.